Hey everybody, Brian, Grumpy's Diesel Service. A little while back we had a video and we asked you guys what you wanted to hear, what you wanted to, if there's anything you were interested in to, ask us, and we would touch on that. Well, we had a customer, Rob Kraus, wrote in what additives he should use in his 2014 Super Duty. Diesel fuels have evolved from around 2000 to now. Obviously we have ultra low sulfur diesel fuel, 15 parts per million. So the truck has actually been designed and engineered and calibrated to use that ultra low sulfur fuel. With the emission systems, the DPF, the DEF system, and everything that's on there, we don't recommend using any additives. There are some additives out there, but I don't really recommend any. The truck has been designed and engineered to use the fuel that it has. Just stay on top of your maintenance, change your oil, use good filters, change your fuel filter. You have a water separator that's in the filter, the housing that you can drain the water out. We do that every time we service your vehicle. When you come in for an oil change, we service that water separator, keeps that moisture out of the fuel. Again, I don't really recommend using any additives, especially in your later model trucks.